Hello there! This is Evita from Creabia Cards. Welcome to this tutorial about the Christmas wreath card. On my blog you can find a printable template to speed up the card making process. The link can be found in the video description. Let's get started! Take a blank red card and unfold it. Look for the center of the card front by using a ruler. Make guidelines with a pencil if needed. Draw a circle using a drafting compass from the center. If you don't have one, you can use a jar lid or a small vase instead and trace it with a pencil. Cut out the circle with a craft knife. Turn the card over. Put double-sided adhesive tape on the inside of the card. Take a sheet of beige paper or another light color. Put it on the inside of the card. Cut off the excess paper with a craft knife. It's time to write down the Christmas message that can be seen inside the Christmas wreath. You can draw guidelines with a pencil and a ruler to help you write straight. Then write the text with a pen or Fineliner. Last but not least, remove the guidelines with an eraser. Let's make the Christmas wreath. First, take a sheet of white paper, fold a piece and draw half a holly leaf from the fold. Then cut out the shape with scissors. Unfold the holly leaf and check if it fits the cut out circle on the card front. If needed, repeat the step a few more times until you are happy with the holly leaf's shape and size. Trace the holly leaf shape onto a sheet of green paper with a pencil. Repeat this step about 9 to 10 times. It also depends on your leaf's size. Cut out the holly leaves with a craft knife. Remove visible pencil traces with an eraser. Take a green pencil that is a lighter color than the green sheet of paper. Draw leaf veins on the leaves. Fold the holly leaves in half lengthwise. This creates a subtle depth effect on your Christmas card. We will decorate the Christmas wreath with 2 ornaments, golden stars and balls. The goal is to divide the ornaments evenly across the wreath. You can find the gold stars at a craft or party store. To create the Christmas balls, you can take a sheet of white paper, then trace the outline of a marker pen or a craft knife's backside with a pencil. Cut out the shape with scissors. Then, trace the ball shape multiple times on a sheet of blue paper with a pencil. The amount of times depends on the holly leaves of your Christmas wreath. Cut out the ball shapes. You can decorate the balls by applying small dots with a glitter gel pen to add some sparkle. Now that we've made all the Christmas wreath parts, it's time to assemble the wreath. First, attach the holly leaves around the cut-out circle using double-sided adhesive tape. Then create a nice mixture of the Christmas balls and golden stars on the wreath. You can position the ornaments onto the wreath before attaching them. In my Christmas wreath, I needed an odd number of Christmas ornaments, so I decided to make a Christmas ball in addition. In order to create the bell shape, we can fold a piece of white paper, then draw a half bell from the fold. Cut out the bell shape, unfold it, and trace the shape on a sheet of yellow paper. Cut out the yellow bell with the craft knife. Cut out a small strip of yellow paper for the bell's clapper. Round off the corners on one short side. attach the yellow strip behind the bell with double-sided adhesive tape. Then attach the bell to the wreath by using double-sided adhesive tape. Your Christmas wreath card is ready now. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos and blog for more card making inspiration. Happy crafting, and I wish you a Merry Christmas!